Thank you and welcome back to Abyshomekitchen. On today's recipe, I'm showing you this delightful turmeric coconut chicken sauce. I do hope you sit back and enjoy. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and the bell notification. So for this, you'll be needing some soft chicken, some smoked paprika, some seasoning, some rosemary leaves, some turmeric powder. Mix it up together and marinate for up to 2 hours. Once you're ready, add some butter to your pan and add your chicken and cook it on both sides until you see that it is golden brown. So I use the soft chicken here. You can also use any chicken of your choice. So once that is done, you add your coconut milk. Allow that to cook for a while, then add your tomato puree. Then add some bell peppers, jalapenos, onions, whatever vegetable you decide to add, you can add them here. Then you mix that together and allow it to cook and simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you get the thickness you want in your sauce. Once that is done, your sauce is ready and you can see how beautiful this looks. You can have this with pasta, with rice, with potatoes, whatever you choose, and I do know that you'll definitely love this. So if you do try this recipe, do not forget to click the like button, share your comments, share with other family members, and again, do not forget to subscribe to see more recipes on this channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful time. Goodbye.